right, Vanessa, let me start this question with you. We just kind of talked about the lack of a test specification and the trust that you have to have in the supplier that you're dealing with. Zigen makes DACs, you make cabling, you make extenders, you make this AV over IP distribution equipment. What is the advantage for an integrator to be using a single supplier such as Zigen that has a single ecosystem?
I think a single ecosystem is really important, especially when it comes to Zigen. Our entire product line was built and designed by an integrator. Ed used to be an integrator, so all of our products were designed to eliminate problems that he was finding in the field and that our engineers are finding in the field. So when you have a strong backbone, when you're using a product like Zigen, and we are, there for your cabling needs, we've got the audio component, you're using our matrices, you're using, our extenders, that because you're using all of our products and you're using them together, the backbone of your installation is going to be strong. When something goes wrong, you're calling one number instead of 15 numbers trying to figure out what's happening. And then when you call us, because we're designed and engineered right in the United States, you call and talk to one person, and most of the time it's going to be Ed or Larry. And I think that speaks for itself.
We've had numerous tech support calls where with our built-in diagnostics in some of our systems, we're able to actually log in with the integrator on site on the job site, be able to log in through TeamViewer and diagnose what is happening on that job site installation. That's a service that we've done for years. Ed?
And we actually find problems not associated with Zigen. And, it's surprising. Most of our dealers call and say, hey, Ed, I walked into a job, or Larry, I walked into a job. It's not your product, but you guys do such a wonderful job helping us out.
It sounds like it's not just the convenience from a tech support standpoint or a compatibility standpoint, but think of the convenience of just isolating in on a single supplier versus maybe having to source product from 4 or 5 different sources. And we're talking right now, it's so important for integrators to be as efficient as possible.
Well, when you look at it in several different ways, you can look at it in a monetary way. You're going to spend less time on the phone. You're going to spend less time in billing, less time invoicing. There's just a whole lot of different things. And when you have a strong manufacturer like Zigen, we're going to take care of a lot of that stuff for you. We're going to make sure that we're a strong support for you. And when you're using our products, you have access to us.
All right. Ed Dalalin, Vanessa Zitzman, Larry Wichongo from Zigen Corp. Thanks for joining CE Pro today.
Thanks, Jason.
Thank you very much, Jason.